Hi guys. Oh, a bass that's pulling, a fish that's pulling really hard, which I don't really know what it is yet. Holy cow, he's pulling hard. Holy cow, look my rod tip. My gosh, he's going, it's like a rock, he's drilling down to the floor. Gosh, this fish doesn't want to give up. Oh, cow.
Okay, I want to see it.
Holy cow, it's a big bass. Oh my gosh. Look at it. Is that on a worm? Or?
A worm, yeah.
Oh my god. Cow.
You want to weigh it?
Yeah, what's his first scale?
Okay, show us the fish.
Okay, hold on, guys.
Okay, remember.
Fish?
Yep, right.
Gosh. Can't find a way to put it. Huh.
I'll hold this, just put the hook.
Wait.
There we go.
Read it. Pound?
1 pounder.
Just exactly a pound or just
Yep.
a little over?
Just a little over.
Oh. Well, you can pull it, you can whip it. Wait! Oh. Okay, there. Got it. Holy cow, that fish was just
Okay,
barely even hooked.
good.
No, not yet. Hold on, I'll show them how to release it. You guys can see my nice pound, little for 1 pound fish. Gosh, it was a nice chunky one.
Okay.
Holy cow. That was one nice fish.